Feeling overwhelmed? You're not alone. Does the sight of clutter leave you feeling defeated? Do you long for a tidy home but feel overwhelmed by the sheer volume of stuff? You are not alone. Many people struggle with clutter, and the task of tidying can feel daunting. It's easy to let things pile up, especially with the demands of modern life. Work, family, and social commitments leave us with little time and energy for household chores. But what if I told you that you could transform your space in just 10 minutes? You don't need a whole weekend or even a full hour. Small, focused efforts can make a big difference. The key is to break down the task of decluttering into manageable chunks, focusing on quick wins that deliver visible results and boost your motivation. Remember, tidying is not about perfection. It's about creating a space that sparks joy. It's about surrounding yourself with things you love and letting go of items that no longer serve you. This journey begins with a single step, a commitment to dedicating just 10 minutes to tidying. So take a deep breath, release the pressure of perfection, and join me on this journey to a clutter-free life. It's time to reclaim your space and rediscover the joy of a tidy home. Imagine setting a timer for 10 minutes and tackling one small area. Perhaps it's your kitchen counter, overflowing with mail and miscellaneous items. Or maybe it's a corner of your bedroom, cluttered with clothes and books. Whatever the space, commit those 10 minutes to clearing the clutter. Start by gathering everything from that area. Hold each item in your hands, asking yourself, does this spark joy? If the answer is yes, find a designated spot for it. If not, thank the item for its service and let it go. You can donate it, recycle it, or simply discard it. The beauty of this 10-minute approach is that it's manageable and sustainable. You're not trying to overhaul your entire house in one go, which can feel overwhelming and lead to burnout. Instead, you're focusing on small, achievable goals that create a sense of accomplishment and inspire you to keep going. Remember, even small actions can create a ripple effect. By dedicating just 10 minutes each day to tidying, you'll gradually transform your space and create a sense of calm and order in your life. The kitchen, the heart of the home, often bears the brunt of clutter. Countertops disappear under a jumble of appliances, utensils, and mail. Drawers overflow with mismatched containers and forgotten gadgets. But fear not, for even this bustling space can be tamed with our 10-minute approach. Set your timer and focus on one area, the countertop. Quickly gather everything, placing items back in their designated spots. Stash away appliances you don't use daily, recycle junk mail and file important papers. Wipe down the surfaces, revealing the clean slate beneath. Next, tackle a drawer. Empty it completely, then quickly sort through the contents. Toss out expired coupons, broken utensils, and duplicate gadgets. Keep only what you truly use and love. Arrange the remaining items neatly, making them easy to find and access. Remember, a tidy kitchen is a joyful kitchen. By dedicating just 10 minutes to decluttering, you create a space that invites creativity and culinary exploration. Enjoy the satisfaction of a clean, organized kitchen where every item has its place. Your bedroom should be a haven of peace and tranquility, a sanctuary where you can unwind and recharge. Yet it's easy for this space to become a dumping ground for clothes, books, and miscellaneous items. Let's reclaim your bedroom and transform it into a restful retreat. Start with the bedside table, a prime target for clutter accumulation. Clear off everything, dusting the surface. Return only essential items like a lamp, a book, and perhaps a small plant. Tuck away chargers and other necessities in a drawer. Next, tackle the dreaded wardrobe. Gather all the clothes scattered around and quickly sort them into 3 piles. Donate, launder, and put away. Hang up clean clothes immediately. Fold and store the rest. Resist the urge to create a maybe pile. Make quick decisions to avoid clutter buildup. By dedicating 10 minutes to decluttering your bedroom, you create a serene environment that promotes relaxation and restful sleep. Imagine sinking into a neatly made bed, surrounded by a sense of calm and order. Your bedroom, once a source of stress, becomes a sanctuary for rejuvenation. Section 5. Living Room Transformation. From Chaos to Calm. The living room, a space for relaxation and connection, often becomes a catch-all for clutter. Toys migrate from bedrooms, books pile up on coffee tables, and throws drape over furniture. Let's transform your living room from a chaotic dumping ground to a haven of calm. Focus your 10 minutes on one area, perhaps the coffee table. Quickly clear it off, returning remote controls to their designated spot, stacking books neatly, and removing any clutter. Wipe down the surface, revealing the beauty of the wood or glass beneath. Next, tackle the floor. Gather any toys, shoes, or other items that have migrated to this space. Return them to their rightful homes, creating a sense of order and spaciousness. Fluff up cushions and straighten throws, adding a touch of visual harmony. By dedicating just 10 minutes to tidying your living room, you create a welcoming space for relaxation and connection. Imagine yourself curled up on the sofa with a good book, surrounded by a sense of calm and order. Your living room, once cluttered and chaotic, becomes a haven of peace and tranquility. Section 6. Bathroom Serenity, Order in your Oasis. The bathroom, a place for personal care and rejuvenation, can easily become overrun with bottles, tubes, and towels. Let's reclaim this space and create a sense of serenity and order in your oasis. Focus your 10 minutes on the vanity countertop, often a breeding ground for clutter. Quickly gather everything, returning essential items like hand soap and toothbrushes to their designated spots. Stash away makeup and other toiletries in drawers or organizers. Next, tackle the shower or bathtub area. Gather all the bottles and tubes, discarding any empty or unwanted items. Neatly arrange the remaining products, creating a sense of visual order. Hang up towels and bathrobes, adding to the sense of calm and tidiness. By dedicating just 10 minutes to decluttering your bathroom, you create a spa-like experience in your own home. Imagine stepping into a clean, organized bathroom, surrounded by a sense of serenity and order. Your daily routine becomes a ritual of self-care, a moment of peace in your busy day. Section 7. Decluttering Essentials, Tools for Tidying Triumph. Equipping yourself with the right tools can make your decluttering journey smoother and more enjoyable. These essential items help you organize, categorize, and maximize your 10-minute tidying sessions. Invest in a set of clear storage bins of various sizes. These versatile containers allow you to see exactly what's inside, making it easy to find what you need and avoid unnecessary rummaging. Label each bin with its contents for effortless organization. Drawer dividers are another must-have for conquering clutter. These handy compartments transform chaotic drawers into organized havens, keeping socks, underwear, and other small items neatly separated and easily accessible. Finally, don't underestimate the power of a label maker. Labeling your bins, drawers, and shelves brings a sense of order and clarity to your space, making it easier to maintain a clutter-free environment. These simple tools empower you to tidy efficiently and effectively, making your 10-minute decluttering sessions even more impactful. Section 8. Maintaining your clutter-free zone, staying ahead of the game. Once you've decluttered your space, the key is to maintain the newfound order. By incorporating simple habits into your daily routine, you can prevent clutter from accumulating and keep your home tidy and joyful. Make it a habit to tidy as you go. Instead of letting dishes pile up, wash them immediately after use. Put away clothes and shoes as soon as you take them off, preventing the dreaded floor drobe from reappearing. Embrace the one-in, one-out rule. Whenever you bring something new into your home, let go of something else. This simple practice ensures that your belongings don't overwhelm your space. Donate, recycle, or discard items you no longer use or love. Finally, schedule regular 10-minute tidying sessions throughout the week. These mini decluttering bursts prevent clutter from building up and help you maintain the sense of calm and order you've created. Section 10. Embracing the joy of tidying, a journey, not a destination. Tidying is not merely a chore. It's a journey of self-discovery and a celebration of the things that spark joy in your life. It's about creating a space that reflects your values and priorities, a space that nurtures your well-being and inspires creativity. As you declutter, pay attention to the emotions that arise. What items bring a smile to your face? What items evoke feelings of guilt or obligation? Trust your intuition and let go of anything that no longer serves you. Remember, tidying is not about perfection, it's about progress. Embrace the journey, celebrate your accomplishments, and be kind to yourself. It's okay to have setbacks. The important thing is to keep moving forward, one 10-minute session at a time. Embrace the joy of tidying, and you'll discover a sense of peace, purpose, and fulfillment that extends far beyond your physical space. Section 10. Start today. Transform your life. The power of a tidy space. You have the power to transform your space and your life starting today. It doesn't require a massive overhaul or hours of your time. Just 10 minutes, a small commitment with the potential for significant impact. Set your timer, choose a small area, and begin decluttering. Experience the satisfaction of clearing clutter, creating order, and inviting joy back into your home. Embrace the 10-minute approach and watch as it transforms not only your space, but also your mindset. A tidy space promotes a tidy mind, fostering a sense of calm and control amidst the chaos of daily life. It creates a haven where you can relax, recharge, and reconnect with what truly matters. So take that first step, embrace the power of 10 minutes, and embark on your journey to a clutter-free life. Your future self will thank you.